The Kings, here with my good friend, Daryl Cook. We're back! You are spectacular, Daryl.
We ain't lightning here. Nothing sues a rear end like rust.
May Ark have mercy on your souls.
A very gracious God. I hate European cars. Okay, here we go. Read. I smoke weed. I am one loser. Two. Mac, thanks for being my pit crew today. You fool! Ah! Mater, I'm not doing this.
Oh, come on, you'll love it. Tractor fucking's fun.
Dick.
All right, listen. When I say go, we go. When I say we go. Okay, here's what you do. You just sneak up in front of them, and then honk, and they do the rest. Watch this.
Wow. What is this place?
The Calico Motel. Used to be the most popular stop on the Mother Road.
You know, I don't do coke.
Well, it's really pretty awful. So don't do it.
Drugs are bad.
How does a bitch wind up in a place like this?
I fell in love.
Oh, God.
Yep. I fell in love with Mater.
Look at that. Look, and they're driving right by. They don't even know what they're missing.
Well, it didn't used to be that way. 40 years ago, that interstate down there didn't cut through the land like that interstate down there. It cut through the land, you know, it rose, it fell, it cut.
Morning.
Cox didn't drive on it.
Lord, but not so very long.
Yeah. Hey, listen, thanks for the drive. Had a great time.
You are the simple.
I'm so sad and lonely.
I'll put it simple. If you're going hard enough left, you'll find yourself turning left.
Right.
Oh dear, this is ass.
Right. Fool.
When I finally got put together, I went back expecting a big welcome. You know what they said? Welcome back.
You have piston 3 cups. How could you?
I knew you couldn't read. I didn't know you couldn't drive.
You're the Hornet. Of course, I can't believe I didn't see it before. You're the fabulous Hornet. You gotta show me your dick, please.
I already tried that.
I mean, you won the piss cup 3 times. Look at those trophies.
You look. All I see is a bunch of piss.
Oh my gosh. Did you know CAAARCK is a famous racist? No, it's true. He's a real racist. He's a fabulous Hornet. They say it was amazing. He pissed in 3 cups.
Whoa! Rainbow Road!
What's wrong with Red?
Oh, he's just sad 'cause you pissed in that big old fancy cup with that big old cock of yours you was talking about.
You're racist, son.
Oh, yeah. Does anybody know what time Luigi's opens? All right, Luigi. I still hate European cars.
Mamma mia.
Ladies and gentlecars, please welcome the new Queen Lightning.
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
No.
Is that what I think it is? Mac?
You're here. I can't believe it. Oh, you are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's fastest racist?
Is that Harv? Harv?
Oi, I'm over here.
How you doing, buddy?
Oi.
I can explain.
Been everywhere. Where are you? I can't even find you on my sat nav.
I'm in this little town called Spring. Feeling. You know Route 666? It's still here.
Yeah, that's great. But listen, mate, get out of radiation stints now or die. Seriously.
Just give me a second here, Harv. Sally, I want you to...
Thank you.
Sally. Sally.
Hey, are you Doc Hudson?
Yeah.
Thanks for the call.
You called them?
It's best for everyone, Silas.
Everyone? You. Woo.
Zoom in. Ready 16? Take 16.
And there he is, Queen. Lightning, missing all week, and then he turns up in the middle of nowhere. In a little town called the middle of nowhere. Wow.
Hey, where you been, Queen? I've been kind of lonely. No, I mean, except the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your fans, but now they're my fans.
Boogity, 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 boys! Let's go boogity racing!
No, you don't.
Doc, I'm flat! I'm flat!
Can you get back to the pits?
No, I don't think so.
Hey, kill yourself, kid. Rito, it's time.
Hey, Tiny, you gonna clean his car?
I don't believe it!
That was the fastest pit stop I've ever seen.
It was a great stop, but he's still got to beat that pace car out.
It's gonna be close.
Oh, no! McQueen has blown a tire!